so today I have a clean my room, and yeah, my room's not the worst, but it's not the best. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you the overview of my room, and we're going to get started. My cat is being very affectionate right now. I don't know why. Why are you being so affectionate? Yeah. Oh, I'm going to nudge the camera. Yeah. Okay, so this is my cat following me. This is my room. The outside, the lighting isn't the best, but yeah, I have garbage to empty, clothes on the floor, cats on some blankets, clothes I have to put away. I'm not making my bed because it's nighttime, so, but I need to clean my desk and yeah, wipe some stuff down. I don't know if you can hear it purring. Maybe? I don't know, he's super cute. He's my kitty. His name is Rolls. Oh, and I love him. Yes, I do. So yeah, I'm just gonna set you guys up on this little thing right here and show y'all what I'm doing. Okay, so I just put away my laundry, and now I'm going to tackle my, well, this, for example, and some other stuff. So we'll just get right into that. So I have now taken out two little jackets and sweater things that I don't need anymore, so it looks a lot better. Sorry, like that, you can see that? Yeah, oh, my hand is right in the way. Like that, and I put my nail polishes down there, so I just put my mirror behind my ring light, and I just had to put my little thing controller. Here, I'll go like this. Does it? Yeah, it does color switching, so that's fun. I have some stuff on here that I need to put in there. My charging cable does stay out though because I use it a lot. But for now, my headphones can go down here because I don't use them until Monday for school. And yeah, my lighter is fine right there. My cord, I'm gonna need to charge my phone actually. So yeah, I vacuumed my rug and floor about 2 days ago, so it's still pretty clean. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye!